Hello everyone, let's prepare a quiz PPT today. To start with, take a blank slide, right click, go to Format Background, choose Gradient Fill, choose two different shades of blue color for the two gradient stops. Now go to Type and choose Radial, go to Direction and choose From Center. Now go to Shapes tab and select Rectangle Diagonal Corner Shape and insert on the slide. Hold the orange button on the left side and drag it towards inside, and in the same way do it for the right side as well. Now you will get a shape like this. Stretch it little bit. Now go to Gradient Fill, choose light blue and dark blue for the first and second gradient stops. Go to Effects option and choose Inner Inside Center from Shadow tab, blur to 17 points. Go to Glow section and adjust the size to 6 points and choose a grey color. Choose Sky Blue from the Shadow section. Go to Shape Outline and choose white color. Select the size of the outline to 3 points. Now duplicate this shape, decrease the size and keep it below. Now duplicate 3 more times and arrange like this. Go to Shapes tab, insert a line on the left side of the diagonal shape. Go to Shape Outline and choose white color. Adjust the size of the outline to 1/4 points. Duplicate the line and keep on the right side of the shape. Duplicate these lines 6 times and insert on the remaining shapes. Close the format background. Now type your question inside the bigger shape. Choose font agency FB, font size 32, make it bold. Next, type the options in the remaining 4 small shapes as option A, B, C and D. Give font agency FB, font size 24. Draw a rounded rectangle at the bottom. Make it complete oval by holding on the orange button. Shape fill, yellow color. Shape outline, red color. Now type next inside the rounded rectangle and text fill black color. Give font agency FB and font size 24. Make it bold. Click on option A. Go to Animation tab. Click on the down arrow and choose Object Color. Go to Animation pane. Double click and choose color red and then click on OK. It's for displaying the wrong answer. As you can see here that when I am clicking on option A, the object's color got reflected, but the letter is not visible. So select the word option A, go to Animation tab and select font color. Start with previous and duration 1.50 seconds. Double click and change the font color to white. One more thing I want here, when I click on option A, the object color should trigger, and when I click on trigger, there are multiple options. There is a solution for this. Go to Shape Format and click on Selection pane. Bring it on the slide. Now you can see that it's rectangle diagonal corner snipped to. Go back to Animation pane. Click on option A. Now click on Trigger and choose Snipped to. Now you can see that when I click on option A, the red color is triggered. Same kind of animation we can give it to the other objects. So click on option A, go to Animation Painter and keep on the cursor on option B. And this we can do it for option C and D as well. Change the starting mode of other options to with previous. Here I want option C as the correct answer. So just click on the option C, Object Animation pane, double click and change the color to green. And one more thing, you need to keep in mind that the next button should appear only after the correct answer. At first, give a wipe animation to the next button. Start after previous and duration 50 seconds. As I want this next button to appear after the option C, that is the correct answer. So just scroll down the next button from the animation pane to the bottom of the option C. Now here you can observe that the next button is not displayed here. But as soon as I click on option C, the next button will appear and I can go to the next slide. Now duplicate the slide. In the second slide, I have done a few changes. Here the correct answer I am going to choose is option A. So just change the color from red to green, and for option C, you can change the green color to red color. Drag the next option from the animation pane to up in the option A. Let's check from the first slide. Here I want a small object to animate round and round the question. So let's see how to create. Now insert a small oval shape to the slide. Adjust the height and width to 1. Go to shape outline and choose no outline. Shape fill white color. Duplicate this shape and adjust the height and width to 0.6. Click on the bigger round shape. Go to format shape. Now click on soft edges and increase the size to 23 points. Click on the small shape. Increase the size of the soft edge to 11 points. Select both the shapes holding the control key. Go to shape format. Click on the align center and align middle. Select both the shapes together and press Ctrl G to group. Drag this to the edge of the question tab. Go to animation tab. Click on add animation and select custom path. Now you can drag the cursor key according to the shape of diagonal. If it's not a proper line, right click, select the edit points. You can edit the path wherever required. Start with previous, duration 10.00 seconds. Go to timing and click on until end of slide. Let's see the final result by clicking on the slideshow. Try to prepare this kind of PPT for your colleagues, students and for yourself too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.